Hi everybody, today we will be filming video of lightning. This is the special surprise for 50 subs.
Whoa.
Okay, so that's all I have to say for this video. I'll probably say that I'll probably make I'll probably be very surprised when there's like a lot of lightning, and I'll probably say some random stuff. And now, parents!
What?
I'm what? Hey, Mama, I'm gonna be a YouTube video now.
That don't mean I'm not gonna forget about it.
Whoa.
Wow! Mommy, I'm making a YouTube video. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put on my headphones and I will listen to songs. Not funny.
How'd that work?
What? What the heck?
But seriously, how do you not catch feelings for your figure skating partner? It is forced proximity every day, all day, for years.
Whoa.
Figure skaters know
What was that?
You
What's
missed
that?
it.
What?
It was right in front of our face.
Did I miss it?
Yes, it was beautiful.
What did it look like?
It was long and went from there to here.
At least I can watch it when it's on my YouTube channel.
You still recording it? So you did catch it?
Yeah?
That's awesome. That was awesome.
Mhm.
I didn't know you were still recording. You caught it. That's awesome.
Olympic figure skaters head over heels for one another.
The air isn't really blowing that crazy. And that's kind of good. It is raining very hard. Okay, so guess what? I'm still recording. Beautiful.
That was. Look, that was.
First things first.
It's raining really hard now.
Why are you snorting? You snorting at that? What about this?
Don't step
Whoa.
on the zapper. You'll be zapping.
Stop. That's not even
for no
funny.
reason. Where is Cass?
I
Don't know.
Ooh!
Cass is on her bed.
Did you see that? I got tape.
Don't fart on me.
What?
Turn it off.
What?
It's been recorded.
Mama, that's the thing that recording? What? Sorry about the pause, everybody. We're still. Okay.
morning for Shelby, Brown, Johnson, and Bartholomew.
Was she living there? Huh? Yeah, I'm recording. I just guys like to get under everything. Guys, are you scared?
If you're recording, you hear everything that you're saying.
I know.
So why are you being loud? You get mad at us for talking while you're trying to record, but you get loud when you're recording.
Anybody watching, Brandon?
I'm not live. Haven't let me because I have to wait like 24 hours or something.
Cheesy ground beef.
Oh! Did you see that?
Find your phone, Sebastian?
No.
Did you look in your bedroom? What? Hi there. Hey there, go there. It's a happy family.
I'm recording a video.
Oh, you ain't recording me. 'Cause you didn't ask my permission.
No,
I'm
he's
recording
recording
lightning.
outside.
Ah, okay. Is it catching lightning?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
He never left, Mom.
You never left, baby.
Sebastian.
Well, I didn't know. I didn't hear him in here talking, so I thought he may have went across the street. Me?
Ooh.
I got something. Stuffy nose.
Do you hear that?
and a cough.
Yeah, I sure do, son.
Several days.
Can you hear the thunder?
I can hear the rain.
There's so much rain.
Did Wendy ever come over?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
She tell you what her car did?
Yes.
Got the key?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
What did you do?
She hit the security button, and so it was flashing on there. In other words, like someone tried to break into it, and it was telling her how to try to reset it so it wouldn't stay on. Because when she looked it up, it said, "Do not try to start the car." And she's like, "How am I going to get home?"
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
It says, or if it does, whatever you
One.
first doesn't work, then put
Eggs.
it in the on position for 10 to 15 minutes. You know? So I said, well, put the key in there, turn the key and see if it starts. And it started. I said, put it in reverse. It didn't
Sebastian.
do any alarming or anything.
What?
Put it in drive and look forward and let's go home.
What? What?
Either that or turn the key to on and we'll sit here for 15 minutes, but don't keep hitting the button because every time you do that, you're
It rains so much.
starting the issue. Well, I think it's on her key fob.
Everybody.
There's a panic button, I think. And
Wait,
it was
remember
lighting up on
my
the dash
video?
security.
Everybody, join my
And she was
Among Us
trying to
group.
get the security light to go out. But she was kind of playing with the buttons on
Ooh.
the dash on the. whatever you call this,
Did you see that? Everybody, join my
switches
Among
and
Us.
stuff are. And what she was looking at actually just dims and lightens the interior light. It's just dimmer or the dimmer
Everybody,
light, the
join my
dash
Among
more lights. But she said she thought she didn't know why that would make the security thing come on. I said, did you have the key in your hand when you was fiddling with stuff? Yeah. And you probably had your hand on it and the top of your thumb hit the security button, hit the panic button. I do not think it had anything to do with that little rolly bar there, because that's what it took to set the security off, and nobody's going to bother that if they're stealing your car.
We're gonna stop at 10 minutes. It's like we have 3 more seconds or something. Ooh!
11.
Huh. I'll count down. Then like. Ooh!
You might have to edit it to make it not quite as long.
Okay,
and
so-
show the highlights.
Okay,
I don't know
so
how long you can actually,
5, 4,
how long of a video
3,
you can actually post.
2, 1. Bye, everybody. See you in the next one.